So you're here to find out the step-by-step recipe to setting your goal, right? Well, it doesn't matter if you're just starting out or you're trying to improve your goal setting skills, because this video is for you. Now, goal setting is the process of deciding what you want to accomplish and then creating a plan to achieve that outcome. Now, research shows that clearly defining your goals can up your success rates significantly. So let's dive into the steps right now. Step 1. Define your goals. It all starts with this first step where you need to be very specific. I'll give you an example. Instead of saying that I want to be rich, think of a number. Quantify it so it is measurable. Like, I aim to have a net worth of $1 million or your currency in 5 years. Now that's measurable. Step number 2. Break down your goals into smaller steps. Now you see, big goals can seem overwhelming in the very start, but dividing them into these smaller chunks, manageable tasks, can make them seem not so overwhelming anymore. For instance, if your goal is to say start a business, your first step should be market research. Like, what is a problem that you can solve in the market? Or maybe you already have some idea, but you need to check, is it really a problem for your audience? Who is your audience? Where are they? What do they need? How can you bring value to them? Chunking it down is the golden piece of advice here. Step 3. Set realistic timelines. Remember, you need to assign a deadline to each task. Why? Because a goal without a timeline is just a dream. And we are not chasing dreams here. We want to turn our dreams into reality. Now we are talking about chasing all of these goals using these steps. But what about the kind of problems that you might face? So let's talk about that right now. You see, some of the most common challenges include losing your motivation, your fire, and sometimes even setting unrealistic goals. You see, you can overcome these by reassessing your goals regularly and even celebrating your small achievements so you keep that fire burning. Now, one question that rises up here is, why should you even do all of this? Like, what is the point of it? So, setting goals can lead to a 70% increase in achievement. Why? Because people who set specific and challenging goals are 33% more successful. Now, you might be wondering, where are these numbers coming from? Check out Michigan's evidence-based approach paper on achieving your goals. Also, many successful millionaires often share that setting incremental goals was the key to their success. Some people have even become millionaires by simply investing a percentage of their income for long-term growth. Now, I do want to talk about a pro tip for you here. You need to review your goals daily. Why? Because this keeps your goals at the forefront of your mind, and hence it will increase your commitment towards them. So start today. Pick one simple goal and take your first step forward. I would even invite you to share your goal in the comments below. Commit to it publicly. Now, this is a powerful strategy because then we all will be holding each other accountable. Remember, setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Now, if you're looking for some books or resources on the same subject, go check out Atomic Habits by James Clear or The Goal Setting Guide by Brian Tracy. Also, to make your life easier, I've added the Amazon links to all of these books in the description below for you.